Pay close attention to what is happening on my screen right now. I am refreshing my account live to show you today's fresh Adsterra earnings and completed payment proofs. This is the exact daily reality for anyone utilizing the Adsterra loading method. From the very first day you set this up, you get a 100% earning guarantee, delivering a minimum of $100 in profits every single day. You do not need any special hardware or a high-specification computer to operate this. My bot is fully optimized to run smoothly on any standard, everyday device you already own. Furthermore, you can completely ignore the expense and hassle of setting up a website. You don't need domains, hosting, or web design skills because this entire method functions directly with your Adsterra direct link. There are no hidden costs, no surprise monthly fees, and zero further investment required after you join. The total price for this lifetime method is a simple, one-time payment of $250. For fast and reliable transactions anywhere in the world, I accept Binance, USDT, and Payout. I know skepticism is high because of all the fake proofs on social media, and I respect that. I don't ask for blind trust, I offer full proof. If you have any doubt that this video is real, reach out to me immediately. I am more than happy to connect with you via any desk, access my live Adsterra account, and refresh the screen right before your eyes. My name is Adam and Froy. Stop letting opportunities pass you by while others collect daily profits. Send me a direct message right now, secure your bot, and start generating your daily revenue today.